Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a hot and incredibly practical topic, SEO ChatGPT. If you're looking to enhance your website's SEO and boost your Google rankings, and if you're interested in leveraging artificial intelligence for content creation and optimization, you won't want to miss this video. Although the discounted price on Udemy brings this course down to about €13 with a 35% discount, here's the amazing part. I'm offering this course to you completely free of charge, with no cost at all. Don't miss this golden opportunity to access professional digital training. Simply open your browser, and in the Google search engine or any other search engine you use, search for gotodiscounts.com. In the results displayed, click on the link. Make sure the website address matches what is shown here. After clicking on the link, you will be directed to the main page of gotodiscounts.com. On this page, you can see the latest courses offered by Udemy with discount coupons, including our desired course, as you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, simply click on this link. The course page will open for you, and you can also view the course details there. Please note that the discount for this course is not permanent, so make sure to check the expiration date. To access the discount coupon for this course, and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you saw, I got this course 100% free through gotodiscounts.com. But keep in mind, this special discount isn't permanent. You only have 4 days to grab this incredible offer. So hurry up and claim it now before it's gone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload new content. Thank you for watching.